Hey everyone, Austin here from Currie Motorsport of Frankfort, and it is 28 degrees outside, but I still wanted to get out here, no jacket and everything, to show you this. One of our most viewed videos ever, but our most sought after vehicle. This is a passenger transit. So let's jump in, take a look at this. Okay, so this is a 2023 high roof passenger transit. It's a 14 passenger transit. You get the dual rear wheels on the back, emergency window, you'll see from the inside there, but this thing is sought after. I know my last video, I think I did a 21 or a 22 passenger transit. A lot of people reached out about that, and we got another one here. This thing will not be here long, I could promise you that. So jumping right into it, this thing's fully loaded. You'll have 360-degree cameras here. You have those nice upgraded wheels on the driver door, and we'll get back to this when we come around. But on the driver door, you do have a code you can put in there. Now, swinging around the front here, you are going to see your nice front camera there, your sensors down below. Make sure when you get close, it will alert you. Coming around here, we do have the platform running board, same as you saw on the other side. Just like the other video, this one will have power sliding doors. Double tap on your key fob, the door's going to open. Now, what's really nice about these doors is one touch on the handle, they're going to start closing as you see there. Now, as I mentioned, you do have the dual rear wheels here, hold a lot more weight in the back. Whatever you're doing with these, obviously it's a passenger, so you're going to be hauling a lot of cargo. Now in the back, we have the XLT badging, we have that 350 Transit high roof, all-wheel drive, EcoBoost badging. Now you have a ton of storage back here. Whatever you're doing this for, I picture, a mountain resort or something like that, and you have skis and snowboards and all that kind of equipment here. But also I can see weekend hotel getaway type place where you have people's luggage or pretty much anything. I mean, this would be cool for a team. You get the team's equipment back here, golf bags, whatever you want it to be. There's a ton of storage space back here. Now these doors will pop all the way out if you want them to, just like that with a touch of a button, and we won't let them slam. So we're going to put them down there. So as you can see, you can have two different door styles here. Now climbing up into here, it is a high roof. I'm 6'4", standing straight up and down in here. You have a ton of space. Getting a look at those 14 seats. Throughout, you have 2 on this side, the rest all on that side, and a 4-seater back here. You'll have little air heat vents all the way across with ceiling lights all the way down, but we will get into that once we get into the vehicle. This is really neat because you are going to have that camera way up there. All the way at the top, there's your camera, and it gives you this really cool view of everything behind it. Move down the side here, like I said, emergency window that we'll check out once we get in there. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, look at all the cool tech advances there are there. Gas cap. Before we jump into those second, third, fourth rows. All right, so here on the inside, tons of cool stuff, that is for sure. You got a lot of nice safety features, a lot of tech advances. So let's just jump right into it. So over here you have your mirrors. Now you just push this button down once, and it's going to go ahead and fold them in. You just push it down one more time, opens them up, both sides there. You're going to have a cup holder here, cup holder there, cup holder down there. Storage up top, you have 12 volts, USBs, just a bunch of storage everywhere over there. Auto headlights, auto high beams. You are going to have your lane keeping. Lane keeping keeps you in the lane. Go over the center line or the sideline, this will vibrate, keep going, it pulls you back in. Cruise control, hands-free up here. You can do hands-free phone into that as well. Speaking of phone, you are going to have that free Ford Pass app that allows you to unlock, lock, auto start the car from anywhere in the world. If you're running a company, great thing about Ford Pass is you can kind of see where the vehicle is at all times. So that way your driver gets in trouble or the vehicle's left somewhere, anything like that, you can always find it. Jumping into this beautiful, huge center stack screen, we're going to have heated seats. Heated seats are always nice to have, no matter where you're at in the country. Digital map, everything is touchscreen. So boom, there's that. Let's make it the full screen. Okay, let's go back to the house. So we're here, we have our music, we can connect our phone. You have all your different features on the vehicle, such as your owner's manual, your different drive modes. Tap that, normal, eco, slippery, tow haul, mud rut. Don't know when to use it? tap the I, boom, right there. Tells you all about it. Eco tells you when to use it, how to use it, and what it does. Owner's manual, click on that. You can go through, you can watch videos, you can go through and bookmark certain things, you can check categories. If you want to learn how to use seatbelts, tells you how to use seatbelts. Your apps, it's going to have your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's going to have a bunch of other apps that are going to be compatible from your phone, such as the Dunkin' app and things like that. Right below, you can open that sliding door from here by tapping that button. And with a touch, it slides it open. So it's really nice to have the access there from your key, from the handles, and also from here. Now, when it's closing, it's got that alert sound, letting your passengers know, hey, I'm closing that door. Now, you have your drive mode access right there. You can also make this screen disappear and make it a nice calm screen right there in case it's a little too active for you. You have your park. It'd be your parking sensors. You can turn those on and off. And then, as I mentioned outside, your 360-degree cameras, where you can go through here, look at your front, your tri-panel front, your 360 front, and in reverse, it's all the same for the rear. Right below, we have some more storage camera thing right there. We are going to have our cup holders. You will have USB and 12 volt there as well. Now, as far as up here, it is spacious as all can be. There is space everywhere. Storage everywhere. Your passenger next to you with their nice heated seats is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 different cup holders for them with a whole bunch of storage across. So let's take a look here in the back for those next couple rows. Right, so we're back here. We're standing up completely. 6'4" of me. I'm standing here. Now here's that emergency window. You're using this for some sort of livery service. You're using this for anything where you're traveling with people. You're going to want that nice emergency exit there. You're going to see right below the emergency exit for this row, you're going to have a cup holder and a USB. Now, as we move throughout the cab, you are going to see cup holder USB, and the trend continues even into the third row here, cup holders and USB. All the seats, very comfortable, very spacious, armrests in the aisles here. That way you can rest the arm. You don't have to be touching between aisles. Now, something that's really nice about these is that these seats will lean back a little bit. With a pull of that lever and a push of my arm, boom, we're laid back. Now, obviously, you got people behind you, just like in the airplane. You're not going to want to lay back on them, but it is nice that you can lay these back. Now, for me, football through college, I've sat in that seat quite a bit as a freshman, and it's not bad. It's not as bad as when I had to sit on the floor down there, but it is really nice being able to drive around. That seat got all the leg room. Now, overall in here, like I said, very spacious. I could walk down the aisles. Definitely a lot of usability throughout the whole vehicle. So this vehicle right here is available here at Currie Motorsport of Frankfort. It will not, definitely not be here long. This thing is awesome. A year, maybe less, but it's typically a year wait for one of these. This is a vehicle that you want to get your hands on, use it for whatever you want to do, but it's a vehicle that you're going to want. Come out here, Currie Motorsport of Frankfort, take a look.